Now that you were asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 718 of the same statute for
warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal, I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you. That is a serious illegal detention.
Having stated the agenda, I invite you to join me view the video clips collected during the incident.
Good morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, anong, give me anong plano lang.
Ano, sir? Salubungin lang namin, sir.
Yung warrant, sir, si-serve
Hindi,
nyo.
sir, may taga-PCTC. May taga-Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes, sir.
So kayo ang lead, ano, sir?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Kumusta kasi, sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige, sir.
Warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal, I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you. That is a serious illegal detention.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte cries out illegal detention at Villamor Air Base after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on Tuesday, March 11. Duterte's arrest came amid a case before the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity during his administration's war on drugs.
For and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you were asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 718 of the same statute for murder, sir.
Buhay ko, sir. Buhay ko, sir.
Generally speaking, sana nakaprepare po kami, hindi na namin ang mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Ganito po naman, sir. Ulitin natin ito, sir. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Are you saying I place the former president under arrest?
Daniel, matanda pa.
The issue, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here. May bus dyan. And the hard way. Charter flight.
Charter flight from? So we need to know bringing our president. Sir, we need to know, please, information where you are bringing.
Wala sa pig ko yung
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
That's
precisely the point that I'm saying. That's precisely the point. The right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected. Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanong nga. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Kung maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakapag mana. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa pasukin yan.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes, sir.
hindi mo
Upon my orders.
hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes, sir. Upon my orders, sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae.
They can visit you.
Eh, mabit ka namin.
Kayo, kanina pa eh. Hindi naman lahat, ilan ang hinuli ngayong araw na to, sir? Sa iba-ibang mga krimen. Ilan ang binigyan ng ganitong...
Kasi nandito kayo lahat eh. Nag-iisang tao.
Ilan ang binigyan ng
Nag-iisang tao, dami krimen sa labas.
Nandito kayo namin.
Sir, hindi kami
Sir,
humingi ng
please
pabor.
naman.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will be
That's
referred.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano yung laman yan? Kung kayo mag-ano, kayo, please lang, bawal hawakan.
Attorney, you will be removed.
Bawal hawakan! Bawal hawakan. Tumayo ka na lang. Bawal
The right to
hawakan.
counsel is something that has to be observed
Right to counsel.
and
Huwag
respected.
kayong humawak. Huwag kayong pakialam sa Huwag kayong... Ano
Kasi
yung
nga,
lawyer?
nag-uusap
Ano yung lawyer?
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Bawal.
Huwag na tayo
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Hawakan. Huwag mo hawakan. Wag ba?
Nag-uusap pa kami.
Attorney, please
Wag mo
naman.
hawakan.
Is this what you want? Is this what you want, Mr. President?
Wag mo hawakan. Time lang eh. Time lang.
Kayo mga
Wag mo hawakan yung nanay ko! Tangina mo!
Hindi, sandali.
Kayo mga sundalo, tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko?